Hello everybody, today another landscape tutorial. Got a stencil cut out on what I want it to look like. I'm going to do a light mist right where the bird is, so I know where my sun is going. So for the sun, I'm just going to use one of the caps for the spray paint for a circle stencil. Got glow-in-the-dark paint I'm going to use to make the sun. As always, it acts like a moon when the lights are off. Do a mist around the cap where I'm going with that. I know where I need to paint. Alright, now my favorite part. Walk away for 20 minutes and let it dry so I can put the cap back down on it. Alright, we are back. Time to put our cap back down. That's where I have the sun to be, so now I'm going to have to shake up some colors and make a sky and ocean for this painting. Can is almost dead. Hoping to get through what I want to get through here. Don't think that one's going to make it. A little bit different color yellow. Just fade that in, I guess. Alright. Lay down a layer of orange here. Cover up the whole bottom with that. Alright, for this next part I'm going to draw on some gloves. I feel like getting colored fingers tonight. So we're going to grab some various blue colors. And a little bit of white. A little bit of room here. I'm going to use my trusty straight edge here. Yeah, we'll go with the water lines about there. on this table. It doesn't sit flat anymore. So you go dark blue on the outsides. Getting a little lighter and lighter to the center under the sun's reflection. And white right down the center. I'm just going to take my glove, swipe back and forth, kind of get that water ripple. I need a little bit of clear coat. Wetting that up a little bit. Don't like how that shine through so much. Alright. Now for the top edge of the water, I'm going to put that straight edge back down. Bump that some more process. And I'm going to take white. I don't know where the white I'm looking for went. Ah, here it is. Just the cheapo Home Depot $1 can. I heard somewhere you can't get these anymore. That'll be a bummer when that's gone. Like it almost is. I'll put this right down on the top of the water line there. All I'm going to do is spray the side. Of my straight edge. And get like a white mist on top of the water almost. Alright, we'll reveal our sun. We got our ocean, our sun, our sky. Next I'm going to come in after this is all dry, set down the stencil. We'll do the black, and that is it for this one. So, about 20 minutes or so. Should be dry enough. Put the stencil down. We'll see you when we get back. Alright, back again. It is all dry. I'll finish this up with a little plaque. Stencil I got cut out here. Well, I gotta cut some out. Bear with me. Sorry. Should have planned ahead on that one. Sorry about this. It's just got to be done. Little piece, little piece, little piece. Dog is not happy. She can hear me talking to you guys. She can't be in here. Now we got the stencil cut out. I'm just putting these nuts down to weight it down so aerosol can doesn't shift my stencils and get a bunch of underspray underneath it. Long, boring part of the video. Sorry, I'm a boring guy, I can't help it. Alright, shoot down the black, and carefully remove all the stencil, and after I'm done I'm going to add those 2 lines to it, my black paint marker. Holding the can up pretty high so I don't get too much lifting on the stencil. Alright, the fun and exciting part, trying to remove this without messing it all up. Throw on the gloves again so I don't get paint all over fingers. Just gotta remove all these guys. Ooh, almost messed it up. Fun task of removing all these small pieces. We got a floating hammock. And we have the stencil in the same exact spot, basically. Let's fix that by making this bird just a hair fatter. There we go. More ties to the tree. a clear coat and a signature away from being done on this one. Oh, I gotta find my clear coat here. I'm just using a gloss clear coat. Give it all a nice shine. Seal up all the paint real nicely. There we have it. Nice simple little landscape scene. Little hammock on the water. And just scratch my initials in. As soon as I find my little tool there for that. Which seems to be MIA at the moment. Don't know where it is, so we're just going to use this, whatever is screwdriver bit. Jeffrey BTV signature on there. There we go. I hope you guys enjoyed. Feel free to hit the subscribe button. New videos every week. If you learned a thing or two, let me know. Draw out all my own stencils on just regular poster board. Same with the canvas that I'm using is just poster board. Cut them in quarters and paint on it shiny side up. Hope you guys enjoyed this one. Let me know in the comments. We will see you next week.